Farmers markets are popping up all over our city these days, and they're a great place to source the freshest ingredients. Earlier in the show, Pete Manifest took us to the Kalamunda Farmers Market and picked up some ripe heirloom tomatoes and some freshly baked bread for my favourite farmers market breakfast. Lots of farmers markets have fantastic bakers, and you will get texture and crunch and amazing flavour from buying good bread. Get them all oiled up, give a little bit of crust, and onto the grill. Now while that's cooking, let's get our tomatoes going. Farmers market heirloom tomatoes are picked when they're ripe. They're picked at the peak of their flavour. You do not get better flavour or colour than the tomatoes on this plate. I've given them a wash, and because they're at room temperature, they're going to capture the most flavour possible. Slice them up. You can wedge them like that, or even slice some large discs. Let's get some nice golden brown, crusty bits of bread. This is so simple. Some pieces of tomato, all different colours, you name it. We're really throwing this breakfast together. We're going to finish that with a little bit of goat cheese. I'm using a soft curd cheese on this dish because I've bought it at the local farmers market. It's absolutely delectable, really delicate, not too strong, and it goes perfectly with heirloom tomatoes. If you don't like the flavour of goat cheese, even when it's a really good one, cut it with a little bit of Greek yogurt. Some seasoning on top, a little bit of salt and pepper. Don't be shy, the tomatoes love a little bit of seasoning. And then we're going to hit it with some herbs. Pick what's fresh in your garden. You can use parsley, basil, oregano, you name it, something that's light and delicate. This is from my garden, and of course, a blessing of extra virgin olive oil. And there you have my favourite farmers market breakfast.